Hello and welcome to another update video about ETH. Yeah, also ETH, like Bitcoin, didn't really move much over the weekend. Still further extensions to the upside are possible. We haven't got any confirmation that a top is in place. Yeah, it could be. Certainly moved up high enough. Also here on the daily chart, you see that we're dealing here with a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup. This could be another 1-2. That's one of the reasons why I want to take one out. I still haven't done it. It doesn't matter so much in the short term. We'll probably do it for one of the next videos because I want to get to a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 setup. So 3 1-2 setups instead of 4. 4 is ridiculous. That would be way too bullish. And also, this doesn't look right anymore, not with the latest price data we have. So just want to mention that, yeah. Now, unchanged, yeah, 2150 is the next key breakout point, next key resistance point. Last week, we saw a break out of this corrective price channel to the upside. It reached that 2023 high level as resistance, and further continuation higher could spark some FOMO because the 2150 level is the 2023 high. Okay, few days ago or a couple of weeks ago when Bitcoin started to move, I mentioned to you that, you know, anybody who's feeling FOMO about Bitcoin, consider ETH. It hasn't moved much yet, yeah, and it is set to catch up a little bit. And yeah, it did move eventually, but still hasn't broken above the 2023 high. So still decent, a decent distance to catch up really. So it still has to do quite a bit to catch up on Bitcoin, but overall Bitcoin has steamed ahead, whereas Ether still has to do a little bit of catching up work to do. Looking at the shorter time frame, we're so far holding support. Yeah. The idea is here that there are basically two wave counts. Okay, in the first wave count, we are assuming we are still here in a third wave. We get a wave 4 and another wave 5. So overall quite bullish, would still allow for one more extension higher here in this wave 1 that I showed you on the daily chart here. So basically a wave 5. Before that happens, we should see a decent pullback in a wave 4. Support is down to 1769. Any break below that would make me change to the alternative wave count, which assumes that this is a wave 5 instead of a wave 3, because then we could already have or nearly have that larger degree wave 1 complete. But overall, we are only tracking bullish scenarios at the moment. Well, I shouldn't say that because we're tracking support levels. So when support levels are breaking, then it is an indication that something bearish is going on. Obviously, just now, Ether is showing a little bit of upside, and it reacted to our micro support area that I communicated. I indicated to you that as long as we're holding here micro support between 1997 and 2030, we can get one more extension in wave 5 of 3. That's the primary count. And so far we had a successful reaction to the perfect target for a wave 4, which is the 38.2 retracement level. So that's all looking good. Target for the next move up, or the levels to watch, are 2,154 and 2,240. Above that, I still have $2,300 to watch. Good news is that we've basically seen a first reaction now. It wouldn't be a problem to already come down now in the larger degree wave 4. That's absolutely no problem. I just explained to you that this move up still looks a bit incomplete. It would be good to get maybe one more high in wave 5, because so far I only see 3 waves up. I'd like to have 5 up, and if we get 5 up, then these are the next levels to watch. And if we get 5 up, we also have a clearer pattern. And but I'm using the 1995 level, basically here, the 50% FIB level, micro support as pivot between, okay, we get one more extension higher here in wave 5, or all right, we're already in the larger degree wave 4. But for now, because we're holding support, we can still watch for one more extension higher. Let's see if it continues to do that. But certainly good to see that it reacted again to one of the trend reversal areas communicated. Now let's see how sustainable that is. The market is switching to green again as we're heading into the new week. But this is not enough yet in terms of movement to confirm that this is already the extension. If we now see a break, obviously, well, first of all, I mean, there are different levels here. Micro resistance 2092 and 2108. And then obviously $2,137. They are all small micro resistances really to watch. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.